Hello kids, I'm so happy to see you. How are you all? Yeah, I'm Swati. I think as you all know, due to effort of corona, yes, we are not coming out of our houses. Yes? Okay, let's start with an experience which is happening nowadays in our daily life. Okay dear? Now, his name is Mohan. His name is Mohan. He is a milkman. He is a milkman. Every day he distributed milk. Okay? So, one small story about the milkman. Okay dear? Wait, listen carefully. Okay? See here dear, milkman where he is going, only one entry and exit. One and only entry and exit. So he started distributing milk from house number 1. After that, see house number 1. Next, he is going to house number 2. Next, he went house number 3. Next, he went house number 4. Next, he went house number 5. Next, he went house number 6. Next, he went house number 7. Next, he went house number 8. Next, he went house number 9. Okay, dear? Because this is a lane. He went a lane. Okay? That's why only one way. Only one way. That only one only way. That only we are using. He is using entry and exit. Okay? That's why he distributed milk from house number 1 to house number 9. Okay, last house is over. After that, he come back where he started the place, right? That's why milk boy, he come back from house number 9 to house number 8. You got understand, children? See, milk boy, milk distributing from house number 1 to house number 9. After that, he come back where he started, right? So, milk boy, house number 9 to he come back house number 8. Then he come back house number 8 to house number 7. Like that, he come back 6. After that, he come back 5. See, like that, milk boy reached where he started that place. I have small doubt, children. Okay? See, milkman, see, house number from house number 1 to house number 9, he distributed milk, right? So, he going to start from house number 1, house number 2, house number 3, house number 4, house number 5, house number 6, house number 7, house number 8, house number 9. Means, what do you, I think, are you observe? Because I am asking about these numbers. You already learned in UKG about the numbers, right? See, 1 to 9, the milk boy going, right? This is called forward. This is called forward. See, house number from house number 1 to house number 2. 2 after 2 to 3. Okay? Like that, milk boy he is going to house number 1 to house number 9. That's why, which is the next number 1 after 2. Yes? Which is the next number 3. Which is the next number 4. So, he is going from house number 1 to house number 9. Right? This is called forward. This is called forward. Because he is going to next number. He is going to next number. Right? Again, he want to come back where he started, right? So milkman from house number 9 to he come back house number 8, right? Means he come back from house number 9 to house number 8, right? He's not going to forward, he's come back, right? So house number 8 to house number 7, house number 7 to house number 6, means he's come back. He's come back from house number 9 to house number 8, house number 7, house number 6, house number 5, house number 4, house number 3, house number 2, house number 1. Means he's come back from house number 9 to house number 9, right? This is called backward. This is called backward. Okay, children? Are you clear about that forward and backward? See, forward means next number. We are going to next number. This is called forward. See, backward. Backward means we are coming back side. See, for example, this milkman, he coming from 9, house number 9 to house number 1, right? That's why he come back. House number 8, house number 7, house number 6, house number 5, house number 4, house number 3, house number 2, house number 1. This is called backward. Okay, children? Okay, children. Today we are going to learn about after numbers, before numbers and between numbers. First of all, after numbers. See, I am drawing number line. Drawing number line. See, we can learn after numbers using by number line. Clear? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Okay. Now, see. Children, look at here. Be careful. After numbers, we can learn using number line. See. What is the meaning of after numbers? What do you mean after numbers? You know what? Anyone? Okay, let's listen. When we count forward from the given number, we get after number. Okay? See, when we count forward, just now I told, right? Forward. So, where? See, I'm here on the number 1. See, when we count forward from the given number, which is number I given? 1, right? Forward means I'm going to next number. Yes, I'm going to next number. I'm going to next number. Means like that. See, when we count forward from given number, we get after numbers. We get after numbers. You got the children? See, listen, be careful. See. See, after numbers. When we count forward from the given number, we get after numbers. For example, see, here dear, where I am, see, I am on the number 7. Okay? What's the meaning of after numbers? When we count forward means right side, right? Not left side. Okay? Right side. See, when we forward from the given number, which number I given? 7. Where I am? On the 7. So I am going to forward. I am going to forward. 7 to 8. 8 to 9. 9 to 10. Like that. This is called after numbers. Okay. For example, see. After 5. What is the answer? Look at it. After 5. Where I am? Here. Right? What is the meaning of after numbers? When we count from the given number. Forward, right? So, forward. Forward means right side or left side? Right side. Because right side means forward. See. What is the next number? 6. Children, can you see the number line? First of all, see. What I'm asking question. What is the after number 5? So, where I am on the number 5. So, what is the after numbers? What do you mean after numbers? See, look at here, children. After numbers means when we count forward from the given number. Forward means we are going to right side. So, I am here on the 5. That's why, which is the next number? See, I am going to forward, right side. That's why, which is the next number? 6. Now, what is the answer? 6. Okay? One more example. 9. 9 after. 9 after. See? See, look at here, dear. Where is the 9? Here. So, just I am here. What is the meaning of after numbers? When we count forward from the given number. Which number I given? 9. So, next number. What is the next number? 10. So, what is the answer? 10. Right? One more example. 2. 2 after. Okay. Where is the number 2? Here. Okay. Now, where is it? See. What is the meaning of after numbers? Forward, right? After numbers means forward. So, 2 after. 3. So, what is the answer? 3. Okay, children? Next. Next, one more example. 11 after. So, where is 11? Here. Where is that? Here. So, what is the meaning of forward after numbers? Forward. Right side, right? Forward. That's why, what is the next number? 12. Okay, dear? Okay. What is the meaning of after numbers? When we count forward from the given number, we get after numbers. Next, we can learn before numbers. Before numbers. Okay, dear? So, now I can draw the same number line. Number line. Where I started from? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6. Okay? Now, what do you mean before numbers? What do you mean before numbers, dear? Anyone? Okay. Let's explain. See. After numbers means forward, right? Like that. Before numbers means when we count the numbers, backward. When we count the numbers from backward from the given number. Okay? From given number. So, See, for example, I'm here 11. So when we count backward from the given number, when we count backward from the given number, this is called before numbers. This is called before numbers. See dear, when we count backward from given number, we get before numbers. Understand children? Now, for example, see, where I am? See, on the 6. See, where am I? On the 6. So, what is the meaning of before numbers? Backward, right? So, I am coming from the number backward. So, this is called backward, before numbers. So, for example, see, what is the number before? 4. Which is the number before 4 number? See, what is the answer? What is the meaning of before numbers? When we count backward from given number, right? Which number I given? 4. Which number I given? 4. So, which number I given? 4. See, where I am? On the 4. So, what is the meaning of before numbers? I am going to backward. That's why which is answer? Which number is answer? 3. Okay, children? See, children, can you see the number line? First of all, what is the number? One more example. 8. See, what is the number before 8? So, what is the number line? See, 0. What is the before numbers? What do you meaning of before numbers? When we count backward from the given number, right? Which number I given? 8. Which number I given? 8. So, where I am? On the 8. So, what is the meaning of before numbers? I am going to backward. So, what is the answer? 7. What is the answer? 7. Okay, dear? Next. One more example. 2. See. Where is the number 2? Here. So, what is the meaning of before numbers? Backward, right? 2 before number 1. So, what is the answer? 1. Right? One more example. 10. What is the before number? 10. So, children, look at this side. Where is the number 10? Here. So, what is the meaning of before numbers? Backward, right? So, which is the before back number? 9. What is the answer? 9. So, children, what is the before numbers? What do you mean before numbers? When we count backward from the given number, we get before numbers. Okay, children? See, one more example. Can you see the number line? Just you only tell the answer. Now, see, number 8, number 12. See dear, can you see the number line? Okay. Which number coming before 12? Which number coming before 12? What is the meaning of before numbers? Before numbers means backward numbers, right? So, which is a before number 12? Backward means I am coming from number 12 to number 11. Yes? So, what is the answer? 11. Thus, number 11 comes before 12. Okay, dear? Are you clear? Now, next we learn between numbers. Between numbers. Okay, dear? Now, do you like apples? Okay? Okay, I draw apples. How many apples I have? I have only two apples. Three apples I have. Okay? In these apples, see, I have three apples. Every apple has one number. Every apple has one number. Okay, dear? See. Are you observe here? How many apples I have? Only three apples I have. Every apple has one number, right? So, see, look at here, dear. All apples. Number 5, number 7. Yes? Number 5 and number 7. In between, which is the in between number? Which number is the in between? What is the meaning of between? You know everyone? Between means middle number. Between means middle number. For example, see, 6 number is there, no? After 6, I am going to forward. This is after number. I am going to backward. This is before number, right? This one is middle number. This one is middle number. Middle number means between number. Middle number means between number. That's why I am asking. I observe number 5 and number 7. Yes? So see. Can you see this? Can you see this apple? Mango apple saw? So what is the number? 5 and 7. In between, which number is here? Only 6. Right? One more example. Do you like mangoes? Okay, I draw the mangoes. So, how many mangoes I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? I have 6 mangoes. Every mango has a number. Every mango has a number. See, children, look at here. Can you see that mangoes all? Number 2. Number 2 and 7. Number 2 and 7. In between, which numbers are there? See here. In between, which numbers are there? 3 and 4. Thus, the numbers 3 and 4 in between 2, 4, 5. You got it, children? Okay. One more example. Do you like stars? See. 1. I have only 5 stars. I have only 5 stars. See here. On the stars, on the stars, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every star, on the star, every star has a number, right? So, I have small dot. 7 is there, right? 7 star and 9 star. Are you observe these stars? So numbers 7 and 9 stars is there, right? So 7 and 9. Which number is between? Which number in between? 8. Right? So numbers 7 and 9. Thus the number 8 comes in between 7 and 9. Okay children, you got it? What is the after numbers? What is the before numbers? And what is the between numbers? Okay children, now today we discussed already after numbers, before numbers and between numbers, right? Now I give the small exercises here. Shall we do? Okay. First, after numbers. What do you mean after numbers? When we count forward from the given number, we get after numbers, right? Now tell answer. $18, after, next 26 after, next 11 after, next 42 after, next 37 after, next 46 after. Okay, these are exercises. Okay, now I'll explain. See dear, 18 after. See dear, 18 after means forward. 18 after, which number will come? 18 after? 18 after which number will come? See, small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay dear? Now see, 18 after. After means forward number, right? So where is number 18 here? See, here is 18. 18 after number which one? 19. So what is answer? 19. Okay? Like that. See, 26. After number? 27. 27. See. 27. Next. 11 after. See, look at here. Where is 11 number? Here. After number, which is after number 11? So after means forward, right? So what is the answer? 12. What is the answer? 12. Next. 42. What is the number after 42? 42 after 40. 2 after 3. 43. Okay. Next. 37. After number 37 after 8. Okay dear. Next. 46. 46 after 46 after 7. So you understand? See, what is the meaning of after numbers? When we count forward from the given number. I given 18, 26, 11, 42, 37, 46, right? I given these numbers. So I count from this number only, forward, right? Forward means right side, not backward. Okay dear? After means forward. That's why 18 after 19, 26 after 27, 11 after 12. 42 after 43. Next 37 after 38. 46 after 47. These all numbers I am going to forward numbers, not backward numbers. Right children? Okay. Are you clear about the after numbers? You can understand? Okay. Next. Before numbers. Before numbers. Before numbers. See. Say. I give you some examples. I give you some example. 15 before next 20 before next 17 before next 22 before next 28 next 32 32. See what happened? First before 15 before 20 before 17 before 22 before 28 before 32. Okay children, now see what do you mean before numbers? What do you mean before numbers? When we count backward, when we count backward from the given number. Okay dear, from the given number. See which number I given? Here 15, right? So here where is the 15? Here. What's the meaning of before number? We are coming backward, right? So I am coming backward number. What is answer? What is answer? Number 14. Now, next, which number I given? 20. So where is the 20 here? Here. What is the meaning of before numbers? When we count backward numbers, right? So which number I given? 20. Backward. Backward means back side. What number this is? 19. So what is the answer? 19. Next. Number 17. What is the number before 17? What is 17 here? Here. What is the meaning of before numbers? Backward, right? So I am coming number 17 from the number 17. Number 16. So answer. Next number 42. See which number I given before? 22. Next, see here, where is the 22 number? Here. What is the meaning of before numbers? Backward numbers, right? So which is the back number? 21. Got it children? Next, which number here? 28. 28. For example, here 25 is there, no? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Right? So here 28. What is the before number? 28. Where is 28 here? Here 28. Right? So what is the meaning of before number? We are coming from before number backward. Backward, right? So what is answer? 27. Okay dear? Next. 32. 32. See here, what is which number is the before number 32? Here is 32 is here. What is the meaning of before number? We are coming backward number, right? So we are coming from 32 back number. What is the answer? 31. So children, see here, what is the meaning of before numbers? When we count backward from the given number, right? So here 15, 20, 17, 22, 28, 32. These numbers all are given before numbers, right? Now, see, after numbers over, before numbers over. Now, between numbers. Between numbers means middle numbers, right? So, I give the examples here. Look at here, dear. Number 1 and number 3. Which number? Between number? Anyone have idea? See here, right? Draw lines. I draw number. I write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, dear? Now, see which numbers I given? 1 dash 3. Right? Means 1 and 3. Which number? Between number. Which number is between number? See here, where is 1? 1. 3. So 1 is here, 3 is here. Which number is a between number? 2. Which number? 2. So what is answer? 2. Thus, number 2 comes 1 and 3 between. Okay, dear? Next example. Next example. 9 dash 11. 9 dash 11. See, look at here. Where is the 9 number? Here. Where is the 11 number? Here. So, number 9 and 11. Which number in between? See here. Which number is here? Only 10. So, what is the answer? Number 10. Thus, number 10 comes between 9 and 11. Okay? One more example. 12 dash dash 50. See, look at here, be careful. See, number 12 and number 15. In between, which numbers coming? Okay? Now, see, where is the 12 number? Here. Where is 15 number? Here. In between, which numbers are there? 13 and 14. Right? So, 13, 14. Means, see, thus, number 13 and 14 comes between 12 and 15. You got to understand? Okay. One more example. 6 dash dash 9. Okay? Children, look at here. Number 6 and number 10. In between, which numbers are coming? Okay? See here, where is 6 number? Here. Where is 10 number? Here. In between, which numbers are here? 7, 8, 9. Right? So, 7, 8, 9. Thus, numbers 7, 8, 9 comes in between 7 and 6 and 10. You understand? Numbers 7, 8, 9 comes between 6 and 7. Okay, children? Now, one more. Last example. See. Here, 17 is here. Right? 17 dash dash 20. That means, which numbers 17 and 20? In between, which numbers are here? See, where is the 17? Here. Where is the 20? Here. In between, which numbers are here? 18 and 19. So, what is answers? 18 and 19. Thus, numbers 18 and 19 comes between 17 and 20. You got it? Children, today what we learn? After numbers, before numbers and between numbers. Right? Thank you.